Fire escape engineers inspect the summary video. We're here in Springfield, New Jersey. And we have a fire escape here that needs to be structurally sound and must be kept painted. Fire escape has failed the paint side of it. It needs a full paint job. Fire escape is probably older than 1978, so it's probably subject to the EPA lead renovator license requirements, so make sure that you deal with the lead issues accordingly. The fire escape is welded connections and bolted connections, and so on a lot of these welded connections, in order to x-ray or load test them, but if you put in a bolt, there's no need for a load. So if you put in flats, put in some bolts, there's no need to verify the welded connections. On the rails, it is pulling away from the building, as you can see, so this needs to be addressed, that she's not tied it properly into the building, so maybe a little bit of sag. It is through bolted into the building. I got photographs. There's two through bolts down there. This chain and this flop out ladder is incorrect. You can't have a flop out ladder because anybody down below is going to get conked on the head. So this has to be either a permanent ladder along the wall here all the way to grade. You can have a weight box system attached to this so that when you release it from up here, she hits the ground and stays down. Or, as you can see, we could do a fold-out ladder depending on the client if they want a fold-out ladder in lieu of this ladder. But this fold-out ladder, should it go out and there was somebody downstairs, as you can see, if I let this go out and somebody's down below, this will hit him in the head, crush a fireman, crush a client, crush a child, if I let this thing go down to the ground. Okay, so any welded connection, including all my brackets that are welded, I put a bolt in it. I don't need to load test. I don't need to verify the welds. A lot of times these brackets going across, there's supposed to be a bolt there on the frame, so the frame needs a gusset. So because it's a welded frame, all the rails need bolts. You need to seal that up with 50-year silicone. So this needs a refurb. You can spot repair and then load test it, or you can fully refurbish it with bolts and scrape and paint it, and then there is no load test. But as you can see, there's a welded connection there, welded connection there, and a welded connection down at the bottom. So, and then again, the fire escape needs to be sealed for any joints that are accumulating water. Any questions, fire escape engineers, inspect the summary video, 866-649-0333.